The mysterious alien mission. Ravi, a 10-year-old curious boy, was fascinated by space and aliens. Every night he would sit on the terrace with his telescope, gazing at the sky and wondering, do aliens really exist? One day his curiosity led him to an extraordinary adventure when something unexpected happened. It was summer vacation and Ravi had come to his grandfather's village, surrounded by vast field and dense forest. One night, while everyone was asleep, Ravi lay on the terrace looking at the stars. Suddenly, a bright blue light shot down from the sky and landed near the fields with a soft thud. What was that? A meteor? Or could it be aliens? He whispered to himself. His heart pounded with excitement and a little fear, but the curiosity pushed him forward. Slowly he walked towards the field. When he reached the spot, he was stunned. A small disc-shaped spaceship lay on the ground, glowing with a faint blue light. As Ravi stood there in a shock, the spaceship door slowly opened. Two small aliens stepped out. They had light blue skin, large glowing eyes, and tiny antenna on their heads. Ravi wanted to run, but one of the aliens raised a glowing finger and drew something in the air. Within seconds, the word appeared in Hindi. Don't be afraid, we are friends. Ravi's eyes widened. What? You can understand my language? The second alien nodded and said, we are from the planet Zorna. Our names are Zico or Tron. Our spaceship is damaged and we need your help. Ravi was thrilled. I want to help, but what can I do? Zico pulled out a small device showing the spaceship internal system. We need some special materials that are only found on Earth. Can you help us them? Ravi did not hesitate for a second. Yes, let's do it. Zico and Tron explained that they needed three things: Meteorium stone found in old fallen meteors, Glorium leaf, a glowing leaf for a rare forest plant, crystalline water, a special water source hidden in the mountains. Without wasting time, Ravi and the aliens set out on their mission. Ravi remembered an old house near the village where a meteor had fallen years ago. They reached the palace and after searching for a while found a shiny black stone. The villagers' elders had told stories about glowing leaves deep in the jungle. They entered the forest, but it was pitch dark. Tron used his finger to emit a soft blue light, emulating the path. Soon they found the magical glowing leaf. Ravi recalled his grandfather's story about a hidden waterfall with crystal clear water. They followed his direction and found a breathtaking waterfall where the water sparkled like diamond. They collected some and rushed back to the spaceship. When they returned, Zico and Trona carefully placed the collected materials into the spaceship system. Suddenly, the spaceship began to glow and the damage disappeared. Ravi, you save us. We will always be your friends, Zico said. They handed Ravi a small glowing capsule. This is an intergalactic calling device. Whenever you need us, just press it. Ravi was overjoyed. He waved goodbye as the spaceship slowly lifted off and disappeared into the night sky. The next morning, Ravi woke up, wondering if it had all been a dream. But when he reached into his pocket, he found the glowing capsule. He smiled. Now he knew friendship had no limits, not even across the universe.